Tonight, the hills are alive with the sounds of Changchun. A packed house was in order for the first Sounds of Changchun event of the year. Organised by Vincent Poisson, the night featured songs by Sarah, who started before we got there, Vincent, the Ramesh Family Band, Mikkel, Cotton and Scottish Martin. Changchun Live was there to capture the event, using all their experience and the best audio-visual equipment they could afford. The event was titled Crossroads, as a tribute to Changchun's cultural intersection. It was an intimate atmosphere where the artists expressed their joys, fears, angers and sorrows that may be at the bottom of their hearts. Whatever their feelings, they got the crowd rocking. This is Matt reporting for Changchun Live.